Hello traders. In this video I will share the most wanted EA expert advisor for free. As usual, I share a collection of expert advisors on that TradeEA.com site. Okay, for a detailed explanation of this video as follows. Watch this video until the end and don't skip it to get all the information. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free expert advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. Parameter Expert Advisor. Expert Advisor, the most wanted EA running on the gold ounce per US dollar and euro to US dollar pairs. There is no recommended time frame. Not sensitive to time frames. Meaning we can run in any time frame. There are 3 levels of risk. Starting from low, normal and high. The most important thing here is that EA doesn't use martingale, grids and averaging techniques. As we know, this method can quickly generate profits, but can also quickly get losses. For most wanted EA, this technique is not used. And of course there is a protect stop loss and take profit. The results of the backtest that we can see here are very good. However, we still have to try it first on a demo account or a cent account, to see what the original performance was like. Do not use money that you are not prepared to lose. It will destroy your trading psychology. Two. Detail live trading result with deposit $300. Then I will see the results of live trading starting from a capital of $300. The profit obtained is around 11%, with a maximum drawdown of only 5%. Trading starts from the beginning of January 2023 until now. Trading history. Here trading starts from January 13th, and just opened a position on January 18th. The profit earned from lot 0.01 is $4.08. Statistics. This expert advisor trading activity is not too high. Only open positions at certain moments. The total transactions that were open were only 9 transactions from January 13th. Profit ratio 100%. And 0% loss trades. For the profit factor here is not legible. Only NA. Trades per week between 2 transactions with an average holding time of 9 hours. Risk information. Here we can see. The biggest drawdown of equity is $16.54 or around 5.01%. Information slippage. You can determine the broker that is suitable for you. If you are interested, you can list the broker with the link that I have provided in the description column. 3. Detail live trading result with deposit $1,000. The profit obtained is 10%, or about $101 US. Drawdown 6.4%. I just started in February, and already made a profit of 10%. If we compare it with a capital deposit of $300 in February, we get an 8% profit. Trading history. Trading starts from February 7th, with a total capital of $1,000. There is a commission payment. It is possible that the broker uses a zero spread broker type. And if we compare with before, no commission deduction, or brokers use standard types. Profit this month with a capital of $1,000 is 10.12%. And profit this month with a capital of $300 is 8.76%. The lot opened in gold ounce per US dollar using a capital of $1,000 is 0.03. And the lot opened in gold ounce per US dollar using $300 capital is 0.01. Then statistical information. Total trades that occurred in February 8 transactions. With a very good profit factor at 139.68. Maximum consecutive loss of 0 transactions. Transmission distribution. 6 transactions in gold ounce per US dollar. And 2 transactions in euro to US dollar. Risk information. The biggest drawdown by equity is around $69 and 24 cents. Slippage information. Forex brokers, XM brokers and FBS. If you are interested, you can register from the registration link in the video description. Four. Setting an expert advisor. Here I have run the expert advisor. I will show you how to run this expert advisor. For version 1.2, there are 4 types of risk: high, middle, low and FTMO types. There are calm, medium and intensive trading types. I will run this expert advisor in the standard preset. In the root folder install MetaTrader. You need to put these 2 files that are in the fix folder in the version.dll file. Five. Download free expert advisor. To get this expert advisor, you can visit the website that I have created at tradea.com. Look for expert advisor the most wanted EA. And click the download button at the bottom of the article. There are 3 folders that I share. Download to these 3 folders. Okay, that's the video about the expert advisor who most wanted a review. I suggest you try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month. So you will know how to work from this expert advisor. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thank you.